AI just created this sports concept car. Type, twin turbocharged V10, displacement, 5.2 litres, horsepower, 750 horsepower, torque, 800 lb-ft, turbocharging, twin scroll, sequential turbo system, 0-60 mph, 2.8 seconds, top speed, 230 miles per hour, quarter mile time, 10.5 seconds, 7-speed dual clutch transmission, DCT, paddle shifters with rev matching, lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, double wishbone suspension with adaptive damping, variable ratio electric power steering, carbon ceramic disc brakes, 6-piston front, 4-piston rear calipers, electronic brake distribution EBD, and anti-lock braking system ABS, driver-focused cockpit with Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, lightweight forged alloy wheels, name Veloce Lusso.